When you first arrive, you'll check in here at the Star Class Lounge. You'll be shown where your room is, as well as given a sheet with all of your Star Pass options. They'll also give you a wristband, which is your room key for your stay. They have a mini buffet here if you arrive hungry that you can check out. Obviously, it's all included in your all-inclusive experience. We are really happy with all of the food selections at the resort. We will have another video showcasing all of the different restaurants and buffet options. If you do not have Star Pass, you'll check in here. This is also the adults only side, just without the Star Pass. Your transportation from the airport will bring you right to the front, and you can check in either at the Star Pass side or the adult side. If you'd like to pick up a drink on your way to your room, there is a bar right here on the way to the rooms while you wait for your bags to be brought up. If you have Star Class, your rooms are going to be a little bit closer to the beach, which means a little bit longer of a walk. The rooms are really clean and well stocked. You'll notice bottled water at each of the sinks in the bathroom. This is because you do not want to brush your teeth with the water here on the tap in Mexico. Definitely use the bottled water provided. The shower has a really nice green waterfall shower head as well as a handheld. Both have really good pressure. This resort just opened in January of 2021 and we're here in the end of July, beginning of August. It is showing a little bit of wear around the shower as well as the shower heads, but with this humid climate, that's kind of to be expected. They are working on it all of the time. There's a really nice shower stool and plenty of room to do your makeup in this bathroom. I love the dual sinks. You'll get the typical amenities like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion, as well as some disinfectants. The temperature control for the room is located on the right side of the bed. It's all digital and really easy to use. There's plenty of room for all of your luggage and whether you want to keep it on the stands or hang it up in either of the closets. The first closet closest to the door has the safe and chest of drawers in it, as well as a hanging rod. Each closet also has full-length mirrors in the doors. The minibar is located underneath the TV and it'll get restocked every day. You can leave a tip in there with a note to let them know what you'd prefer to have it restocked with. Ours came with beer, water, chips, and candy. Next to that is the self-service coffee if you want it. Make sure to use the bottled water. If you go to Your Planet menu on your TV, you can see what restaurants are open when, as well as what's going on for the day, order room service, towels for your room, anything like that that you need. The other closet has extra pillows, blankets, robes, laundry bag, slippers, umbrella, fabric, steamer, as well as a chest of drawers in there. Each side of the bed has USB ports for plugging in all of your devices, as well as lighting control for the room. Since we're here during COVID, the liquor bar by the director chairs actually was empty, of course, but hopefully that'll be back soon. With Star Class, you can order one bottle of liquor to your room if you prefer. The balcony is actually really big and nice. You get 2 chairs and a table, and when you're Star Class, like I said, you are going to be a little bit closer to the beach, so you will have a pretty good view. Below you will be the swim out Star Class Junior Suites, so you can kind of take a look to see what those look like. They were sold out when we were here, unfortunately, but you do have a really nice view of the beach, as well as all of the adult pools that you'll see in front of you. There's also a Star Class pool on the other side of that as well. This is only the adult side of the property. You do have access to the family side, which has more pools and also restaurants. There is a bar on the balcony where you can dry your swimsuits. Our room was on the 2nd floor of Building 11, which is closest to the beach, and this was our view of the morning sunrise. We really loved our stay here and the staff was just amazing. Be sure to tip them because they do work on tips as well. This is the main entrance to the Planet Hollywood family side, and a view as you're walking towards your rooms of the ocean. It's beautiful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more videos on Planet Hollywood Cancun and all of our other travels. We appreciate you watching.